Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel pending transaction on Coinbase. Now to start with, you want to go ahead and open up Coinbase, and you can do this on your PC or the mobile app. Log into your account and head over to this trade tab, and you can see all of your assets and recent transactions. Now from there, you want to click on transaction which you are trying to cancel. From here, you need to make sure that it is an unconfirmed transaction. That's because once a transaction is confirmed, it's irreversible due to the nature of how blockchain works. So as you can see, for this example, the status is actually failed, which means that it's already been completed. So unfortunately, for a transaction like this, it will not be possible to cancel it. However, if your transaction is still pending, you want to look for the cancel payment option. You will actually be able to cancel your payment. If you don't see the cancel payment option, then the transaction is probably already confirmed, and that might mean that it is irreversible. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.